All right, we're back with you as we watch a very intriguing marketing day here on a Wednesday. I'm Marlon Bowling with you, and I'm joined by Todd Bubba Horwitz of BubbaTrading.com. Today he's in Chicago joining us. And Todd, this market action that we have seen so far today leaves one a little bit bewildered, if you will, as we look at the market action. We've been higher, we've been lower, we've been back and forth several times. And I don't know if you can really gain a whole lot from useful information from this market here today. What are we waiting on?
I don't know, Marlon. I'll tell you the truth. It seems to me that every market that we would possibly trade, grains, livestock, equities, have done nothing and have no interest in going anywhere. And it's like they keep waiting for a reason to move. And I have no idea what that possible reason can be, but we continue to see the equities hold strong, which is keeping, I think, out of the agricultural world, and the lack of interest and activity is just continuing to do the same thing over and over again, which is it's very challenging if you're trying to trade these markets, and certainly if you're farming these markets, it's also a challenge because, of course, at the retail price, they're going to the roof, but at the wholesale price, they're going to the floor. So it's been a very, very interesting and ugly situation.
So we have the new crop months still losing ground on the nearbys. So July corn right now, with our quotes from bar charts, show a price of $6.06 3/4. We are now down a penny, and December is down 2 3/4 though at $5.45 1/2. So really getting nowhere fast. In the soybean trade, you have July now 5 1/4 higher. We're at $14.22 3/4, but we had been down about 7 cents lower than where we are right now at one point. November is now just a penny and a half higher. We're at $12.67 1/2. So again, in soybeans, just like in the corn, the nearbys are gaining on the new crop months. Let's check out what's going on in Chicago wheat right now. On July, we have it unchanged at $6.53. So it's stuck right in the middle of where it's been trading. On Kansas City wheat, let's go over to the hard red wheat, and we have July 4 1/4 lower. We're at $7.98 3/4. Seems like the rain that has been occurring in the southern plains is kind of spooking the market here today. Spring wheat trade in Minneapolis, July is down 7 3/4. Right now, we're at $8.28 3/4. And in the cotton market, well, we have that July contract still under 80 cents, and now we're down 15 points at 78.47. December down 15 at 79.22. Todd, in your opinion, when you look at the overall makeup of the managed money funds, how are they positioned when it comes to the grain markets here? Are they short? Are they long? Are they split? How do you look at it?
I think that they're holding a smallish position, trying to force the markets a little bit lower, trying to get them to break, because I think they actually really want to buy them. I think that, as painful as this is, I do still believe that we are looking at a possible big market coming. And of course, I guess it's always darkest before dawn or darkest before midnight. And it's like there's pressure, but the pressure is on very light volume, which is, again, my concern here is the lack of activity, lack of participation in all these markets, which indicates to me that the move, when it does come, will be so much bigger. And it could be either way. I would lean towards the upside.
Okay. Well, I appreciate that information, Todd. Good to visit with you again. Todd Bubba Horwitz has a company. It's called BubbaTrading.com. You need to check that out on his website. We'll pause right here. We'll come back, and we'll talk a little about our livestock trade after this.